Hi guys, good day. I will show you again how to reset Infiniti Q70 for the service maintenance. We are here on the dash again, and then look for these buttons. This is the buttons that you need, these three, and then you will disregard this reset, and you will only use this icon and then this icon, and then look for the dash, and then you will find the maintenance service on the menu is this settings, and then use this button to move up and down, and then look for maintenance, and then press this one for the OK, and then this choose reset the tires settings. You can set it up till 10,000 or 5,000, whatever you want for your car maintenance, and then press this icon for choosing OK, and then you can now reset it, and then back to 0. That's it, and then go back, and then same thing with this. You can set to 10,000 or 5,000. It depends on your maintenance kilometer for your car, and then go back, and then same thing with the oil. Just set to 10,000, and once you reach 10,000 kilometer, it will automatically pop up to your dash that the car needs to be serviced for the 10,000 or 5,000 kilometer. That's it guys, that's how easy it is. And then after you did everything, and move back and then skip, and then the service kilometer or the service note will not pop up again until you reach 10,000. It will automatically show it again. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Bye bye guys.
Panoorin nyo po yung aming mga gagawin pa mga video, at huwag mong kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe, at huwag mong kalimutan din mag-pinutin yung notification bell para updated po kayo sa lahat ng gagawin namin mga video.
Para sa inyo to guys, mga simple tools and demo lang sa buhay mechanic dito sa Dubai. Salamat!